How to change the repeat interval time for repeat notification alerts on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we scroll down, then tap on notifications. From here, tap on advanced settings. Then we scroll down and tap on the left hand side panel of repeat notification alerts. Now in here we go down and then tap on repeat interval. From here you can choose between 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So select a time interval and that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.